Hello, beautiful babes, and welcome back in. I am so glad you're here today. I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be part of the notification gang, my beautiful babe brigade, and this is how we roll. Today, y'all, my nails are jacked up. Need some help today. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of those on camera right here with you. It doesn't take a lot to get your nails looking great. Ladies, don't you be leaving out of the house with them jacked up nails. Girl, you can do this yourself and you don't have to spend an enormous amount of money. You absolutely don't. You can handle this yourself. You just need a few tools. And today, since pretty much my nails are already filed and in order, I don't have to do that part right now, but make sure you just maintain your nails. Today, we're going to keep it simple. Listen, I went to the Dollar General, to the DG, that's what we're going to call it, and I picked up a few little products. Listen, didn't cost me, probably both of these together were less than $3, okay? I got my nail polish remover. I get 100% acetone because a lot of times I do use glitter nail polishes, things that take a lot of time to get off the nails. And I got some cotton balls. We're just going to remove the nail polish first, so let's get to that part right now. Soak the cotton pad really well and then get to work. We're moving on to the next hand and a little bit of a manicure. If you want to get cute, it doesn't take that long. It won't take the couple hours it's going to take you to go to the nail salon. Now that's a long wait. I do my nails every week and sometimes twice a week when I want to change colors. And I'm going to show you a great little purchase you can make in order to do quick nail polish changes. All right, I have the bulk of it removed, so now I'm just gonna go and just do a quick cleanup of both of my hands with this one cotton ball. Just starting fresh with it, and I'm just soaking that cotton ball. All right, that is pretty much it. Now I'm just going to take a little coconut oil mixed with some vitamin E and put that all over my hands like so. And getting into my nails. This really helps to strengthen and keep the nails moisturized so they won't be dry and brittle. And then I'll go and rinse off my hands. Just rinse, no soap, just rinse. Just kind of pushing that cuticle back there a little bit and getting in there good with this oil. All right, cuticles are pushed back, and now I'm just going to take my little buffer here and just buff the nails just a little bit. All right, rub those hands together again, and now we're gonna go and rinse them off. All right, I've rinsed my hands off, and now I'm just gonna take a paper towel and just make sure all the water is off of my nails and that all the oil is kind of dried up and wiped away. And hey, they're looking good. That's all good. That is all good. And now, the quick trip to get these nails polished. Let me show you. All right, my favorite way to quickly do my nails, I use Insta-Dry. These are Sally Hansen's Insta-Dry nail polishes, and they dry quickly. So if I'm in a hurry and I need to do a quick nail polish change in less than 10 minutes, honey, this is how we do it. So right now, pink gray. I think I'm gonna do the pink. Just kind of lighten it up a little bit this week, and just simply shake them up and start polishing, girl. I'm not using a base coat or anything on the nails because I've ran out of my quick dry, but this pink one will not stain my nails and it is just fine. So I just start in the center of my nail and work out. Does it matter if it gets on the edge? It doesn't to me because I usually clean that off when I'm in the shower. I just take my face cloth and I just scrub around the edges there because guess what? You need to do that anyway to help soften those cuticles up and push them back. So that really helps that. Now that's looking pretty. I've broken a couple of nails, unfortunately, over the last couple of weeks, and just waiting on those to come back to life. So what? Only what? A few minutes have passed. My camera says about 14 minutes or so. Yeah, so it's not long. This is pretty much dry for the most part. It won't take long to dry at all. Just a little bit more setting, and then I'll go in with my second coat. Be ready as soon as I finish gabbing my mouth here. I'll start back on that. But this is a quick way to do your manicure, to get cute real fast. Just get those Insta-Dries. Again, you can see that. That's Sally Hansen. This one is called Make It Snappy, and it's number 243 in case you were wanting it. It is like a pink, but it does have a little iridescent shimmer to it. Not a major shimmer or anything like that. So pretty much ready to hit this next coat of nail polish. You know, I used to only use Ulta nail polish. I love Ulta nail polishes, but they've gotten so much harder to come by. I don't know if they've stopped making them or what, but those nail polishes there would stay on forever. I mean, 2 weeks, I would still be rocking the same color without a problem. They were very, you know, I mean, like hard as nails, definitely. Now you see how it's coming together? Looking cute, girl. Keep those hands looking cute. But now I do use a variety, especially the quick dry nail polishes. I used to get Avon, and I would oftentimes buy every shade they had in their like speed dry nail polishes because I loved the convenience of it. I mean, just take off the nail polish, put some more on, be done in a few minutes. Girl, that's the life. If you're spending hours at the nail salon, I'll pray for you because that is rough. I can't do it. Probably got my nails done, I would like to say, oh, maybe around 7 to 10 times at the most. That's all I could handle. That's it. I usually do 3 coats, so I'm just going to let this dry just a little while longer, and while I run my mouth. And if you want more nail care, videos, I'm willing to do that, because girl, yes, I do my nails frequently, try to take care of these hands. My hands stay in water, you know, I'm always doing some type of treatments or something with them, so just to maintain them. I did have a little injury on my knuckle here. I was cleaning my bathroom and my knuckle hit the faucet. Like I was scrubbing, and bam, it hurt so bad. But I did get it all cleared up here, and just keeping it moisturized and some oils on it to help mend it and heal it back into place. That skin, so it was looking ugly for a minute. Didn't like that at all. So that's that on that. But I've really, definitely, for the most part, always done my own nails. And do you need a base coat? Do you need a top coat? Not necessarily. You know, I don't take the time out for that all the time. But it's just some extra money that, hey, if you want to spend it, do that. But a base coat, I don't usually, only unless I know it's a nail polish that will just tremendously stain my nails. So back at it again. Here we go. All right, we're tightening that up. Nails are done and I'm ready to start my day. Thank you so much for watching, beautiful babes. Please,
if you enjoyed today's video, please drop a like on it. Please make sure you have subscribed to the channel and tell somebody where you're hanging out at right here on Sugar Fingers. And beautiful babes, be sure you know what I love to say. Keep those hands looking gorgeous. I will see y'all on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.